I really did not think that this was a video that was necessary to make. I thought fellow streamers, fellow content creators, they have a little bit of some like brain juices left. How not to promote your Twitch stream one-on-one in 2020. Do we really have to do this? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Like I said, today we're talking about how not to promote your Twitch stream. Honestly, it is an absolute rager. I'm absolutely furious that we have to even talk about this. Like, come on, use your brains. But if you want to talk about it more, by the way, links are down in the description for my Twitch stream. I'm a full-time content creator for YouTube and Twitch at the moment. If you want to stop by, let's talk about it. Let's rage together. When I thought about making this video, I thought I was absolutely furious. But then I thought, maybe there are people that actually need to hear this and that don't know how much harm these 3 ways of self-promotion that I'm going to share with you in just a second do, and that they do absolutely no good, and you will not gain a single follower, subscriber, or viewer from these kind of methods. The first one is the easiest one to avoid, in my opinion, and that is don't use your social media only for sharing your Twitch link. Use your social media for creating content, not for posting your Twitch link. And I thought this is a no-brainer, but why are you following people on social media? Because you like their photos on Instagram, because you like their videos that they do on YouTube, or maybe because of their funny memes or jokes that they post on Twitter. What do all these 3 things have in common? They are content, not Twitch links. You need to use your social media in order to make content, have people interested in you as a person, and then they come by and check out your Twitch stream. But actually the conversion rate of people seeing your Twitch link on Twitter and then going to check out your Twitch stream, they're about 0. It is an absolute waste of time, and it's just kind of diluting your timeline. Don't post your links on social media. Make content, and I will link a video of Newman99 up here. He's a fellow content creator, and he shows you how you can use your Twitch clips that you already have. You don't need to record nothing, and just post them on social media, edit them a little bit to make them more interesting. I lose brain cells every time I look at profiles. All they do is share their Twitch links. The second one is also an absolute no-brainer in my opinion, but that is commenting your Twitch link underneath other creators' posts, videos, pictures, you name it. Just think about how desperate it makes you look like commenting under thousands of other creators' posts that you are live right now or your Twitch link. You will not gain a single follower or subscriber from this because you just look like a joke. And this is brutal honesty here. If you are just commenting under other creators, you are a joke and you are not really a streamer or a content creator. By the way, guys, let me know down in the comments below what you think is the most annoying form of self-promotion. But whatever it is, I think I can up you one. And this is going into other people's stream, just saying, hey, I followed, I am live right now, come check me out. Just think about how absolutely desperate it makes you look like and what a joke you are. Sorry, but do you really think that this streamer who doesn't even matter how many viewers, is gonna drop everything they're doing right now, end their stream, give you a shout out, give you a rate, and let's just watch your stream instead of what they are doing? Would you do that? Just think about it. If someone goes into your stream, would you drop everything for a random person, no offense, probably with 0 viewers, no face cam, maybe not even a mic, and give them a shout out? Bring all your audience over there, stop whatever you're doing. Guys, use your brain. This will do more harm than it does any good. Your credibility is out the window. You're a joke in the eyes of your fellow creators. There is a right way about growing your Twitch, and these are the wrong ways about growing your Twitch. And again, this is not hating on any specific people that do these things. I'm just saying honestly how it is. And I'm telling you, everyone that comes across those things does not take you seriously at all. In the eyes of other people who put in the work, who grow over time, and who just build a relationship with the audience, you are trying to take a shortcut. And maybe you don't know that there are no shortcuts in this game. But if you're simply doing this to exploit and maybe get a little bit ahead, I'm just telling you, all you're doing is cutting out your own legs from underneath. Hope you guys have a good day. I will go and take a breather right now. Stay hydrated. Share the video with your friends, family if you liked it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. Come by my stream. Link is down in the description. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10:30 a.m. MST over on Twitch. I have absolutely no